Hi, I'm Yichen.
And hi, I'm Kenji.
And we build Buffaloes.ai. And we built Buffaloes.ai to close the gap from vibe coding to production.
Yeah, basically, there's a bunch of bad launches today from vibe coding. People are pushing to production without testing their apps, resulting in a lot of loss in paying customers, loss of businesses, and just overall bad trust.
So there's no way to make sure they are not fucked up while pushing to production. So we build Buffaloes AI, and we use browser agents to test your web app, navigating all possible paths, clicking buttons, submit forms, and creating test use case so you can launch confidently. Now we are gonna walk you through the key functionality, automated testing.
Yeah, so over here we have a bunch of testing. We're gonna look at exploratory testing. So this is when we get a browser agent to scan your site, find interactive elements, and create test cases out of them. And once it has the test cases, it's gonna send them off to other browser agents to run them one by one throughout your website. Well, actually here you can see that it's actually spawning out a bunch of browsers parallelly, and each of the browsers have agents clicking through stuff for you. Yeah, so it's gonna take a long while for the agents to click through your browsers, so we're just gonna skip to the results.
Cool. Now, after 2 minutes, we can see we're getting some test results back, and we can see the test case being generated by the browser user agent and what this browser user agent has performed, and also a screenshot proof of what you can reproduce your error. So yeah, this is what we built for the key functionality, automated testing for Buffaloes.ai. There's a lot of more functionality like scan, testing, evaluation, score in this platform. We're trying to cover the last step from vibe coding to production. Ship fast, not fragile.
Don't ship on vibes. Buffaloes.ai.